Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to my presentation of simple report writing. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Fiki. I am 12th grade Electronical Industrial B and my absent number is 8. In this session, I will presenting about report of field work practice in Industrial Electronics Engineering workshop at SMKN 4 Jakarta. But the first, I would like to confirm any thanks and appreciation to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, Mr. Dr. Rianto Ritonga MM, Mr. Abdul Basit MPD, Mr. Teguh Trianto, Mr. Ahmad Irawan, Mrs. Nur Eli, teacher of Industrial Electronics Engineering, and my family, my friends, and peoples involved in helping to complete this report. And now, I want to tell about introduction. Definition of fieldwork practice. Fieldwork practice is an educational activity that must be followed for SMK students. Training and learning carried out in the industrial world or the world of work in an effort to approach or to convey the quality of vocational high school. Students with competence, students according to their fields, and also add provisions for the future in order to enter the world of work, which is increasingly more and more competitive in terms of competition. The meaning and aims of fieldwork practice. First, add insight into knowledge, experience, abilities, and skills in the world of work. 2. Knowing firsthand the description of the company's activities. 3. Train students to socialize in atmosphere, actual work environment related to work discipline and responsibility. 4. Is one of the recruitments for graduation from SMKN 4 Jakarta. Background of fieldwork practice. Fieldwork practice is an academic activity that focuses on the ability to develop and forget the knowledge that has been learned during school. This activity can add to the experience, knowledge, skills, and work ethic of students, especially in the field of measures taken by these students, and provide in-depth insight into the world of work before graduating from school in the future. School profile. SMK Negeri 4 Jakarta is a school that implements standard operational procedure for International Quality Management ISO 9001-2008, which is approved by Chief North International. In school, they apply standard operating procedures for international quality management, conduct comparative studies, and collaborate with various schools and companies or industries as well as domestic and foreign institutions. The collaboration is intended for comparative education studies, exhibitions, industrial work practice for students, and job recruitment for graduates of SMKN 4 Jakarta. In addition, efforts to improve the quality of education and the quality of human resources, as well as entrepreneurship for students. And now, vision at SMKN 4 Jakarta. The vision is become an excellent vocational school for establishing quality human resource. Mission at SMKN 4 Jakarta. The mission is first, instilling faith and piety as well as a professional attitude in all components of the school. 2. Cultivating the spirit of excellence with the ability to be competent in all citizens. 3. Implementing KBM with competency-based training and production-based training approach. 4. Implementing school-based management that refers to the ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System. General description. Activities of fieldwork practice. Report on K3 health safety work. Learn about definition and purpose K3, namely healthy, safety, and work. Report on multimeter. Learn about definition and part in multimeter and calculate the currents and voltage in the circuit. Report on oscilloscope. Learn about definition of oscilloscope and calculate the currents and voltage PWM on oscilloscope. Report on DC motor control circuit. Make a DC motor circuit and calculate measuring the voltage on a DC motor circuit PWM. Conclusion. Fieldwork practice require physically and mentally to be able to adapt to conditions at school that occur during this pandemic. Describe how it will be before we enter the industrial world. Fieldwork practice is a good opportunity to gain as much experience as possible. Fieldwork practice makes students have to be ready with the responsibilities given. That's all from me. Thank you very much. If there are a mistake, please forgive, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.